Hi, I'm Sam, and I hear you're in the market for a new townhome. I bet there's a lot on your must-have list. Let's see if we can check them all off at Cedar Ridge at Woodall. Must-have number 1, a floor plan that is both functional and a place that you're proud of. Can you imagine hosting movie night with your friends in this open concept floor plan? And at the end of the day, you'll love your spacious owner's retreat. Then there are 2 extra bedrooms for family, friends, guests, or even a home office. Plus, the included 1-car garage means you won't have to choose between storing your boxes or your vehicles. There's plenty of space for all of it. Must-have number 2, less money out of pocket. At Cedar Ridge at Woodall, we're making home ownership simple by including all of your appliances, even your washer and dryer. So no need to save for those big ticket items. Must-have number 3, owning a new home in a location that you love. Cedar Ridge at Woodall is located in Lebanon, Tennessee, close to everyday conveniences. Lebanon is home to Cedars of Lebanon State Park, a state park with over 1,100 acres of trails, camping grounds, and cabins to rent for a getaway close to home. Plus, just minutes away is Providence Marketplace with plenty of shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Or, if you'd like to spend a day in the city, downtown Nashville is a quick 30-minute drive from your front door. So did we check everything off your must-have list? I thought so. Take the next step. Come and see us. We can't wait to welcome you home to Cedar Ridge at Woodall.